Good evening, I'm Megan O'Rourke. It's been nearly 3 weeks since the Butler County Sheriff's Office says a Liberty Township grandmother shot her own infant grandchild in the head. After all this time has passed, though, since the shooting, Maya Harris has yet to be indicted by a grand jury on any charges. Our Ken Brown got an update on the case from the Sheriff's Office, and he's there for us now. Ken, what was the latest on this?
The Sheriff's Office confirming for us today that they're not aware of any changes with the infant victim in this case, who was last described by the sheriff as being in grave condition. They also tell us there's been no changes in the charges that have been filed.
Step out of the vehicle! Step out! Okay. On your face, now!
This was the scene on Dutchview Court in the early morning hours of December 9th. The Butler County Sheriff's Office says Maya Harris, who you can see being placed in handcuffs, woke up in the middle of the night and started an argument with the mother of her grandchild. Then she allegedly shot both her grandchild and the child's mother.
My mama shot my niece, please. Please don't stay there, please. I can't get her.
That call was placed almost 3 weeks ago, and the child, who is said to be in grave condition, appears to still be fighting for her life. And yet Maya Harris has still not been indicted by a grand jury for her alleged crimes.
It could be any number of reasons why it's moving slowly, but the one that would come to mind for me is that they may be waiting to see if the child lives or dies. If the child dies, then obviously the indictment would be for some type of homicide case.
Our legal expert Mike Allen says the prosecutor's office still has plenty of time to get an indictment, and the health of the victim certainly plays a part in the timing.
They have 60 days, the prosecutor does, from when the case is bound over to the grand jury to indict. So they've got plenty of time. My guess is that's what they're waiting for.
Allen tells us the 3 felonious assault charges Harris is facing may just be the beginning.
It's just horrific to think about, but if what the grandmother did was an intentional act in shooting that baby, then it's a whole different ballgame. If the child survives, in all likelihood, an attempted murder case.
This case was bound over to a grand jury at Harris's last court appearance, which was on December 13th. Reporting outside of the Butler County Sheriff's Office, Ken Brown, Fox 19 Now.